Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zapier affiliate program for app integration commissions step by step clearly. To log into the Zapier affiliate program, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Zapier website and press enter. Once the home page loads, navigate to the footer section of the page. Look for the link that says affiliate program and click on it. This will take you to the affiliate program overview. Here, you can find details about commissions and benefits. To log in, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, type in your password in the designated field. If you don't have an account yet, look for the sign up option to create one. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the login button. You may be prompted to confirm your login with a two-factor authentication code. Check your email for the code and enter it in the provided field. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. From here, you can track your commissions and referral links. Take some time to explore the dashboard features. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the resources available for affiliates. Now you are ready to promote and earn commissions through your referrals. Keep your login credentials secure for future access. You are now logged into the Zapier affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.